the number of real solution of this equation. This equation is x plus root x plus root of x minus 2, that is equal to 3. Now we want to find the value of x is equal to question, that is number of real solution for this equation. Okay, choices are given. A 0, B is 1 and C is 2 and choice D is 4. These are the 4 choices given or 4 options given. Now we have root x. Since we know that square root is a positive quantity. So this term, that is root x, should be greater than or equal to 0. This condition to be satisfied if and only if x is greater than or equal to 0. Then again, this is also a positive quantity. So root of x minus 2 is a positive quantity. That implies x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. This implies x greater than or equal to 2. X greater than or equal to 2. So from this equation we have x greater than or equal to 0. And for this condition, for this to be a positive quantity, x should be greater than or equal to 2. Now let us put x is equal to 2. Let x is equal to 2. So this equation become 2, x is equal to 2 plus root 2 plus root of x is 2, 2 minus 2, that is 2 plus root 2 plus 0. So what is the value of root 2? The value of root 2 is approximately equal to 1.41. That is 2 plus 1.41. This is always greater, this is equal to approximately equal to 3.41. That is greater than 3. Greater than 3. So this equation for the minimum value of x should be 2. That is x is greater than or equal to 2. For this equation, this value is always greater than 3. So that implies no solution. So the number of real solution is 0. Is alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, where p not equal to 0 equation. And the second condition is given if p, q are in AP. Now, and third condition is given as 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta, that is equal to 4. We want to find the mode alpha minus beta, and options are also given. From this condition we get alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta, that is equal to 4. Okay. Now alpha and beta are the roots. So the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, that is equal to minus q by p. And alpha beta is equal to the product of the root, that is equal to r by p. Okay. So by dividing, let this is equal to 1 and this equation is equal to 2. 1 divided by 2 implies alpha plus beta divided by alpha beta, that is equal to minus q by r, that is equal to 4. So minus q by r is equal to 4. This implies q is equal to minus 4r. Q is equal to minus 4r, or 4r plus q is equal to 0. Now look at this condition. P, Q and R in AP. So this condition implies 2Q is equal to P plus R. 2 into substitute for q. Q is equal to minus 4r. So q is equal to minus 4r. That is equal to p plus r is equal to minus 9r. Now alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Isn't the identity? Now this is equal to, what is alpha plus beta? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus q by p. That is minus q by p the whole square minus 4 times alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to r by p. 4 into r by p. Now consider this equation. Here we have q is equal to minus 4r and here p is equal to minus 9r. This equation and this equation. So q is equal to minus 4r and p is equal to minus 9r. So what is q by p? This equation divided by this equation. So we get q divided by p, that is equal to minus 4r. Minus 4r divided by minus 9r. That implies q by p is equal to 4 by 9. 4 by 9. Consider this equation. What this implies? We get r by p. R, p is equal to, we have p is equal to minus 9r. So r by p, that is equal to minus 1 by 9. Now substitute the values. Alpha minus beta the square, that is equal to minus q by q minus q by p the square, that is q by p the square. That is this value. 4 by 9 the square minus 4 into r by p, that is minus 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9. That is equal to 16 by 81 plus 4 by 9. That is equal to 52 divided by 81. Therefore, mod alpha minus beta is equal to root of 52 divided by 81. That is equal to 2 by 9 root 13. So D is the answer. This is the answer. If tan 25 degree and tan 20 degree are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus 2px plus q is equal to 0. So tan 25 and tan 20 are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Then we want to find 2p minus q is equal to the question. What's the value of 2p minus q is the question. Choice is given A minus 2, B is given minus 1, C is given 0 and D is given 1. Okay. Now these are the roots tan 25 and tan 20. So sum of the roots, that is sum of roots tan 25 plus tan 20, that is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a. Here it is minus 2p by 1 and product of the roots. Product of the roots, that is equal to tan 25 into tan 20, that is c by a. Here q by 1, that is q. Right. We know the identity tan a plus b, that is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Right. Now tan, instead of A we can write 25. So tan 25 plus 20, that is equal to tan 25 plus tan 20 divided by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 25. Here it is tan 45. Tan 45 and the value of tan 45 is equal to 1. That is tan 25 plus tan 20 is equal to minus 2p. That is minus 2p divided by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 25. That is q. This implies 1 is equal to minus 2p by 1 minus 2. That is equal to 1, or minus 2p is equal to 1 minus q, or 2p minus q, that is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. So our question is 0 less than alpha less than beta? Alpha and beta are the angles, and the condition is given 2 alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. And tan alpha and tan beta are the roots of this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then options are given. Tan alpha is equal to c minus a by b, tan beta is equal to c plus a by b, tan alpha is equal to b by c minus j, and tan beta is equal to minus b by c plus a. Okay, so this is the conditions. Alpha is less than beta and 2 alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2. Now these are the roots, tan alpha and tan beta. So we have tan of sum of the roots. Sum of roots, that implies tan alpha plus tan beta, that is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a, and product of the roots, that is equal to tan alpha into tan beta, that is equal to c by a. Right. So these are the known quantities. Now we want to find what is the value of tan alpha and tan beta from these options. Now what is tan alpha plus beta, that is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now what is the value of beta? Beta is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 alpha. So we can put from this expression beta is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 alpha. So this expression become tan alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 alpha. That is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta, that is minus b by a, divided by 1 minus tan alpha beta. Tan alpha tan beta, that is equal to c by a. Or this become, LHS become tan pi by 2 minus alpha, that is equal to minus b divided by a minus c. Or tan pi by 2 minus alpha is equal to cot alpha. Cot alpha is equal to, this I am taking minus outside, b divided by c minus a. So this implies tan alpha is equal to c minus a divided by b. So a is the correct option. Okay. So our question is, if 4 raised to x minus 3 raised to x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 raised to x plus 1 by 2 minus 2 raised to 2x minus 1, then we want to find the value of x. Options are given: 5 by 2, 2, 3 by 2 or 1. Okay, now we can write this is equal to 4 raised to x minus, this term become 3 raised to x into 3 raised to minus 1 by 2. that is equal to 3 raised to x into, split this term into 3 raised to 1 by 2 minus 2 raised to 2x into 2 raised to minus 1. Okay, now we can write, I am taking this term to LHS and this term to RHS. So 4 raised to x, I am taking this here, plus 2 raised to 2x, that is 4 raised to x into 2 raised to minus 1. So 2 raised to minus 1 can be written as by 2. This is equal to 3 raised to x into root 3 plus 3 raised, this term is taken to RHS, 3 raised to x into 3 raised to minus 1 by 2. 3 raised to minus 1 by 2 become 1 by root 3, or this become 4 raised to x into 3 by 2. This is equal to 3 raised to x into, taking the LCM, 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 is equal to 3 raised to x into 4 by root 3. We can write this as 4 raised to x divided by 3 raised to x, that is equal to 4 by root 3 into 2 by 3 into 8 by 3 root 3. 4 by 3 raised to x, that is equal to 8 divided by 3 root 3. So this can be written as, you can write 2 is equal to 4 raised to 1 by 2. 2 can be written as root 4 by 3 raised to 1 by 2 whole cube, or this is equal to 4 by 3 raised to 3 by 2. Now this is 4 by 3 raised to x. Now comparing the power or exponent, that gives x is equal to 3 by 2. So the correct answer is C.